Hey guys, in this video, I will make a Wes Anderson style travel highlights using Filmora 12.3. Import your own travel videos or get some from stock media. Double-click on your first video clip and go to Color. You can follow my adjustments to make your video clips looking like a Wes Anderson color grading. After adjusting the color of your clip, click Save as Custom, so that you can use your own color preset to the rest of your video clips to make it uniform throughout the video. Double-click on your other video clip and go to Color. Under Preset, select Custom, and pick the one that you just created earlier for the first clip. If it doesn't achieve the proper color grading that you want, you can still adjust the preset that you made. Do this again for the rest of your video clips. Import your background music as well. This one is titled Obituary. You can also insert a solid color on the first part for the title of your video.
Insert a default title and input your own text. In this part, I am matching the cuts of my video clip in sync with the music I used. You can do the same technique, but you can also be creative on how you will do your transitions or cuts. You can add more video clips if there are still background music left. Let's see the results.